Hongtai Performance Company, located in Chengdu, Sichuan Province, was founded in 2000, has 2 workshops containing 82 sets of various equipment. We are a professional OEM manufacturer engaged in high-performance connecting rods, crankshafts, pistons, and services as a whole. After years of integration and innovation, HTP has accumulated rich experience in connecting rod finishing, created our own core competitiveness, adequate pre-sales demand research, customized and personalized design joints, refined production, high quality and all-around service. HTP has won wide recognition and trust from the market and has established close cooperation relationships with many famous enterprises and brands. HTP is deeply committed to the development of the industry and insists on providing customers with high-quality products. HTP has several equipment which can realize efficient production and provide customers with fast heating production cycle. In addition, our company often visits major motor racing events. We have a complete scientific quality management system and strives to make every customer feel at ease with the products and the company's cooperation. HTP does a good job with every product, sincere service to every customer to create an international competitive enterprises.